Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading orders from Ecwid to Telegram. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new orders from Ecwid to other systems. For example, in Telegram you can receive notifications about new orders and never miss them. Now let's move on to the setup. To get started, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Ecwid data source system. Now you need to specify an action. If you want to receive new orders, select Get Orders New. At this stage, you need to connect your Ecwid account to the ApiX-Drive system. Enter your login and password to your Ecwid account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this point, you can edit the settings. This system does not provide additional configuration, so just click Continue. At this point, you can set up a data filter. In this case, this is not necessary, so we also click Continue. At this point, you see the test data. If everything suits you, click Next. Choose Telegram as the system. Next, you need to specify the action Send Message. Now you need to connect your Telegram to the ApiX-Drive system. Copy the name of the bot and go to your Telegram in order to find and run it. Next, you need to copy the string to connect the Telegram bot and send it as a message. After the account is successfully connected, we return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you need to compose a message that will be sent to Telegram when a new order appears in Ecwid. To add a variable, click anywhere in the message field and select it from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also prescribe values manually. To move to the next line, use Enter. When all the necessary data is assigned to the message, click Continue. Now you see an example of a message that will be sent to Telegram. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Telegram. Go to Telegram to check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue the configuration. At this stage, the settings for receiving data in Telegram have been successfully completed. Next, you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.